Hello, fellow outdoor enthusiasts and everyday carry aficionados. Today, we've got something truly special for you. The top 6 best pocket knives of 2023. These feature-packed and razor-sharp sidekicks are ready to be your go-to tools for all adventures and everyday tasks. Let's dive right in. First up, the SOG TWI8-CP Twitch II, a true work of art and functionality. This knife boasts lightning-fast assisted opening with a thumb stud, perfect for quick one-handed deployment in any situation. Its durable AUS-8 stainless steel blade, measuring 2.65 inches, slices through anything with ease, from rope to cardboard. The ergonomic handle, made of anodized aluminum, ensures a comfortable grip every time, while the deep carry pocket clip keeps it securely by your side. With the SOG TWI8-CP by your side, you'll feel unstoppable in any cutting challenge. Next on our list, the iconic Opinel No.08 If classic elegance and simplicity are your style, this knife won't disappoint. Crafted with high-quality Sandvik stainless steel and a traditional beechwood handle, the Opinel No.08 is a timeless masterpiece that stands the test of time. Its Virobloc safety ring keeps the blade securely locked during use and closed when not in use, making it safe to carry in your pocket or bag. With a blade length of 3.35 inches, this knife is a true companion for the modern adventurer, exuding charm, reliability, and versatility. Now let's talk about the Kershaw Link, a fusion of innovation and style. This pocket knife features a razor-sharp Sandvik 14C28N stainless steel blade, measuring 3.25 inches, offering superb edge retention and corrosion resistance. Its speed-safe assisted opening, accessible with a flipper or thumb stud, makes one-handed operation smooth and efficient, perfect for swift action when time is of the essence. The Link's sleek design, combined with its practicality, makes it a top choice for everyday carry enthusiasts who demand both performance and aesthetics. With a reversible deep carry pocket clip, this knife ensures discreet and secure carrying wherever you go. Spyderco Delica 4. Prepare to be wowed by the Spyderco Delica 4. A true legend in the pocket knife world. Renowned for its lightweight design and superior VG10 stainless steel blade, measuring 2.87 inches, the Delica 4 is an EDC dream come true. The signature thumb hole makes it easy to open with either hand, while the bi-directional textured handle provides a secure grip, ensuring precision in every cut. With a reliable backlock mechanism, this knife is easy to use and ensures safe operation during demanding tasks. Trust us, once you hold a Delica 4, you'll never want to let go. CIVIVI C907A1. Next, step into the world of premium craftsmanship with the CIVIVI C907A1. This pocket knife showcases exquisite aesthetics and top-notch performance. The razor-sharp D2 tool steel blade, measuring 3.5 inches, combined with a comfortable G10 handle, ensures you're ready for any cutting task that comes your way. Its smooth, ball-bearing pivot ensures effortless flipping action for quick deployment, making it perfect for both everyday carry and outdoor adventures. With a sturdy liner lock mechanism, this knife ensures a secure and reliable experience in every situation. Upgrade your everyday carry with this masterpiece of modern engineering that's sure to turn heads and deliver top-notch performance. CJRB Cutlery J1904. Last but certainly not least, we have the CJRB Cutlery J1904, a budget-friendly champion with no compromise on quality. This knife features a razor-sharp D2 steel blade, measuring 3.38 inches, that stands up to tough challenges, making it ideal for both everyday tasks and outdoor adventures. Its ergonomic and textured G10 handle ensures a firm grip even in challenging conditions, giving you full control over your cutting tasks. With a reliable liner lock mechanism, this knife ensures safe and secure operation during demanding tasks. Don't let its affordable price fool you. The CJRB J1904 is an outstanding performer that punches above its weight, making it a true bang-for-your-buck option. There you have it, our top 6 best pocket knives of 2023. From the sleek and elegant to the rugged and dependable, these knives cater to every taste and need. So, don't wait any longer. Click the links in the description to get your hands on these exceptional pocket knives.